Okay, so this is how the format for your actual final exam will look like. You recognize this now. It will be similar to your midterm exam. Exam take the entire 2 hours 45 minutes. This part you may not get time to read during the actual exam. So let's read this now. Use Matcha for written work. Do not turn in your handwritten work, okay? They take more space. A PDF is better than handwritten work, which comes from an image. Now, upload your PDF file. Use UML for UML drawings. I don't want hand-drawn work. Upload a PNG file. Turn in .py files. Don't send me text or doc files. Upload your work in Blackboard. First save as draft. Submit only after uploading all your files. Now, if in some students were unable to upload, send me by email before the end of exam. After exam, by law, I cannot accept your solutions. Okay? Even if I trust you, I'm not allowed to accept papers after exam. So, to be on the safe side, guys, send me your files by email after uploading in Blackboard. Okay, I will first go to Blackboard. If I don't find your solutions there, I will go to my email, but I will look for timestamp. Okay, so our exam ends at 11:45. So I want your files by 11:45. Be it in Blackboard or to my email. Am I clear, guys? Give me a few yeses. Do you understand? Yeah. So it is in your best interest to upload and send me by email before 11:45. By law, I'm not allowed to accept anything after 11:45. Okay. So that's all. It's unfortunate, technology doesn't always cooperate, so we have to just be safe, right? So, solution to question one. Question. It doesn't matter whether I see it or not. You send it to me by email anyway, because you won't know whether I can see it or not until too late. So default option, upload it in Blackboard and send me by email your files. After the exam, after the midterm exam, I had several people asking me whether they could send me. It's not okay. I cannot accept anything after the exam. Okay, by law, it is wrong for me to accept. So send me the file, all your files before 11:45. If after the exam you tell me, hey, I forgot to send this file, that's entirely on you guys. I cannot take that responsibility. You understand? Legally, I am in a very difficult position if I accept anything later. I can be honestly taken to the court. All right. So I don't want that to happen. So I'm telling you right now, whether or not your files get uploaded in Blackboard, send me by email. Okay, first upload in Blackboard, and whether or not, you don't know whether it's uploaded completely. I don't know whether it's uploaded completely. After you send me the email, at least you have, taken care of things, right? Because I will see only after 11:45 what has been uploaded. Until then, I don't know what's going on, right? Okay, so I hope that's clear. Maybe I'll send it as an email to everyone. Regardless, continuing. Question 1 has some fill in the blanks. Solutions are in this file, okay, made using matcha, right? So what represents an immutable form of a set? Frozen set. Immutable means cannot be changed. That is frozen set. What does UML stand for? Universal Modeling Language. A technique in which one control structure is placed within the body of another is called nesting. Nesting. Generic syntax for a while loop. While condition colon body which is indented. While condition colon body which is indented. A method that provides implicit support for alternative syntax. For example, double underscore add double underscore. This method supports plus. It is called a special method. Special method. Special method, they are also sometimes called magic methods. Okay, but special is the technical name. In Python, a unit test is placed inside the body of the conditional. So remember when you write a module, a file, you would write to test function or what class that you are defining, you would place it within this conditional. If double underscore score name double underscore is equal, so this is double equal, there should be no space, okay guys, but matcha doesn't allow me to write double equal next to each other. Quotes double underscore main double underscore, so that's quotes, it's a string colon. A class used as a basis for another child class through inheritance. So a child class inherits from whom? Parent class. Okay. Parent class, base class, super class. These are the names. Okay. When two or more identifiers reference the same underlying object, we call them aliasing. Alias. Yeah. So two identifiers, they point or reference to the same object or same data basically. Blah recursion occurs when an instance of a class has an attribute that is itself another instance of the same class. That is structural recursion. Okay, as opposed to procedural. Procedural is where functions or methods recurs. Structure, an object already has an object of the same type inside. That is structural recursion. The blank is a mutable, unordered collection of unique elements. Unique elements means what? Elements don't get repeated. Unordered means order doesn't matter. Well, this you know. It is a set. It is mutable. If it were immutable, that would be a frozen set. So mutable makes it set. Okay. A simple way to implement a dictionary mapping is to maintain two coordinated lists. One for keys, one for values. Keys, values. An abstraction representing one of the possibly many active flows of control within an executing program is called, oh, I missed it. L is not this, L is thread. Okay, so L is thread. Okay. And this is wrong. I don't know how to get that. All right. Now, M is host name, comma port. Okay. Okay. So please make that change in your file. So socket.connect, this is a networking. You will see this if you see the videos. So both threading, that is L and M, have been covered in networking, the two YouTube videos. Okay, please take time to look at those videos. So that was question 1. Question 1 carries 26 points.